Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead. Hi. Hi. I want to order some food, please. I'm so thirsty. What drinks do you have? I want to have some cookies. I'll have some fruit juice. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Roll out the dough together. Choose your favorite shape. Oh yeah, now you can put it in the oven. Use the space bar to see what happens. You've made sweet and crispy cookies. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it. What fruit juice do you want to make? Pear. Pear. Kiwi. I can't wait to make some fruit juice. Whoa, the fruit juice is done. With ice, it'll taste even better. The delicious fruit juice is done. Here's your order. Fruit juice, fruit juice, fruit juice. Cookies! Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead. Hi. Here's a coin. It's really delicious. Here's a coin.
want to order some food, please? What kind of desserts do you have? I'll have a cup of coffee. I'll have some cake.
This is what the customer ordered. Get ready to grind some coffee beans. Turn the lever to see what happens. Look, it's turned into powder. Heat it up a little bit more. There are many coffee cups. I'll pick one. It smells sweet. Lastly, decorate it nicely. Awesome. Fragrant coffee is done. This is what the customer ordered. Let's mix the ingredients first. Awesome. Now pour them into the mold. Oh yeah, now you can put it in the oven. Which cream do you like? Milk flavor. Our delicious cake is done. Here's your order. Cake! Coffee! 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 Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead. Hi!
You know how to make good food. It's the best. Here's a coin.
Hi, I want to order some food, please. I want to have some ice cream. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Wow, the ice cream looks really yummy. Add syrup and it'll taste even better. Add some delicious toppings. You've a sweet and delicious ice cream. Here's your food, ice cream. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer.
Here's your
Go
coin.
ahead. Hurry. I want to order some food, please. I'll have a slice of pizza. This is what the cook. Spread a layer of sauce on the dough. What toppings? Tomato, 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 tomato. Mushrooms, mushrooms. Bacon. Tomato, tomato, tomato. With cheese, it'll taste even better. Put the pizza into the pizza oven and bake it. Wow, you've made a delicious pizza. Here's your food, pizza. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer.
Oh,
Go
the
ahead.
food is fantastic. Here's a
Hi.
coin.
Hi, I want to order some food, please.
What kind of desserts do you have?
I want to have a donut.
I'll have a sandwich.
This is what the customer ordered. Put the dough into the pan and fry it. Look, there are a lot of creams. Choose one you like. Strawberry flavor. Green tea flavor. Strawberry flavor. Green tea flavor. Top it with candy and it'll taste better. Wow, you've made a donut. This is what... Bake the bread first. Wow, mayonnaise is my favorite. These are full of tomato, lettuce, bacon, tomato, lettuce, bacon. What a delicious sandwich! Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer.